This is the reliable way to record mixed reality on your Quest in 2026. I've found a stable workaround for that persistent flickering bug in the latest Meta OS updates. Let's get your footage cleaned up.
Woo, come on, let's go!
First, go to the official website of SideQuest VR. Then click Get SideQuest. From there, scroll down until you see the link that says Desktop App Features. Click the link to download the installer and then install it in your PC. We will need to patch SideQuest VR with the latest version of scrcpy. Just go to the official GitHub page of the said package, look at the right side for the releases, and click the latest version, which in this case, version 3.3.4. Scroll down and look for the appropriate installer based on your OS. In my case, it will be the Win64 version. Extract the zip folder that you have downloaded from the scrcpy GitHub. Copy those files and locate for the app data roaming folder. Inside that folder, look for SideQuest. And then inside SideQuest, look for the scrcpy folder. Replace the files inside it with the one that you have just downloaded. I will be using my Quest 2 headset to demonstrate my setup. Plug in the USB-C cable from your VR to your PC. And then open SideQuest in your PC. When you first open SideQuest, you will notice on the top left corner that the indicator is colored orange and it says Unauthorized Allow in Headset. To fix this, we will grant the necessary permissions through your VR headset. When you check your headset, the first prompt that you will see will be for the Oculus Link. Do not enable that. Instead, allow the USB debugging prompt. You will know that you have granted the necessary permissions if the indicator turned green, as well as displaying the VR headset that you connected with your PC and its battery info. We can enable wireless mode so that our VR headset doesn't need to be tethered to our PC. Just click the Wi-Fi looking icon at the top right corner of our SideQuest VR app. From here, click the Connect button. You will see that it's still unauthorized, so we will just grant the same permissions like what we did earlier. You can verify that the wireless mode has been successfully enabled if you can see the Wi-Fi icon turning green in the SideQuest VR app. By this time, you can now unplug the USB cable from your VR headset. You can now start casting our VR headset to our PC using scrcpy. Just click the stream button, which looks like a YouTube icon. First, select the respective crop option for your VR headset. In my case, it's Quest 2. I also recommend disabling the proximity sensor so that you don't need to wear your headset to keep it running. Now we are ready to cast our VR headset. Just click Start Stream and you should see our cast running successfully. Or maybe not. Now I'm about to show you the workaround for this issue. But real quick, if you're a geek that trying to make different technologies work for your PC lifestyle without spending a fortune, that is exactly what I build on this channel. I'm currently documenting a $170 VR boxing gym project using this exact setup. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the blueprint for that one. A GitHub user by the name of Rom1B has created a workaround to prevent the flickering behavior from happening. The link to the comment has been provided in the video description below. Scroll down to his comment until you find the link to the scrcpy-server. Download the scrcpy-server and overwrite the one that is located in the SideQuest scrcpy folder. Now let's test the stream again. Congratulations! You can now record mixed reality footage using your Quest headset. But wait! There's more! You will notice that when you cast using scrcpy, your VR headset will have no audio. This is because by default, all the sound is played to your target PC. There's a workaround for this, although a bit hacky for SideQuest. In the streaming options of your SideQuest VR, look for the crop option. Add a space, and then append the following option, --audio-dup, which is short for duplicate. What this does is that it's gonna play the sound both for the VR headset and your target PC. Once you start the stream again, all the audio will be channeled to both machines. And there you have it! Crystal clear mixed reality recording on the latest Meta OS. This workaround isn't just about resolving that flicker issue. It's about making your Quest headset, old or new, a viable tool for content creation in 2026. If you find this guide helpful and you want to see more of these, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my future videos like this virtual boxing gym under $170. It's the best way to support the channel and keep these technical deep dives coming. In the meantime, if you haven't seen how I built a 100-inch VR home theater under $200, check out the video right here. Thanks for being part of the family, and I'll catch you on the next one.